So the final construction is to construct a perpendicular to a line segment from an external point. Now, this is the final foundational construction, and the foundational construction is a construction upon which all other constructions, that's the construction of triangles and quadrilaterals, all of those constructions are based on these construction. And the final one is to be able to construct a perpendicular to a line segment from an external point. So the instruction. So what I just read is um, is what we will be doing, but in a question, the instruction would sound something like this. We're going to construct line segment CD such that CD is perpendicular to AB and meets AB at D. So we're going to be constructing line segment CD such that CD is perpendicular to AB and meets AB at D. So the instruction would sound something like that. And this is the instruction that would give rise to the construction of a perpendicular to a line segment from an external point. So let us begin. So let us first draw the line segment. So I'm going to draw a line segment AB of length 10 centimeters. In practice, 8 or 9 would be sufficient. So this is line segment AB. I'm labeling the two ends, A and B. All right, then I'm just going to put some arbitrary external point C. Now, C, I just need to put C above the line AB, not in the dead middle, maybe slightly to the left, but it must be above the line AB. Now, step 2, I'm going to open the compass to a suitable radius, and with C as center, I'm going to scribe an arc to cut the line AB at X and Y. Now, in this case, suitable means that when I put the metal tip at C and scribe the arc, it must cut the line AB at 2 points. So first I'm going to test it, and I'm not going to scribe the arc unless I'm certain it's going to cut the line AB at 2 points. Alright, and where it cuts the line AB, I'm going to call those 2 points X and Y. So I scribe my arc, and it cuts the line AB at X and Y. So again, what did I do? To get X and Y, I open my compass to a suitable radius. Then with C as center, I scribe my arc, and I had to ensure that that arc would cut the line AB at 2 points. I do not scribe the arc unless I'm sure it's going to cut AB at 2 points. Step 2, I'm going to open the compass to more than half the length of XY, and with X and Y as centers, I'm going to scribe 2 arcs to intersect at D below the line AB. So I'm going to open my compass to more than half the length of XY, and then with X and Y as centers, I'm going to scribe 2 arcs. So with X as center, I scribe the arc. Then I move the metal tip over to Y and scribe a second arc. Where the 2 arcs intersect, I'm going to call that point Z. Alright, so now step 3, I'm going to draw a line segment from C through D. Now that line is going to meet AB at right angles. That line is going to be at right angles to the line AB. Now where the line meets AB, I'm going to call that point D. Where the line meets AB, I'm going to call that point D. Now the green lines that you're seeing, which are mostly arcs, they represent their construction lines, and the black lines are the ones I actually need. So your green lines show your construction lines. They should be lighter, and the actual lines, the lines that I need, which are the black lines, those should be more pronounced. All right. So now I'm drawing what, a black line from C to D. All right. So remember, I was asked to construct line segment CD such that CD is perpendicular to AB and meets AB at what? Right angle. Alright? So it meets AB at D. It's perpendicular and it meets AB at D. So the line CD meets AB at D, and the line CD must be perpendicular to the line AB. So if we're measuring the angle BDC, using the outer scale of the protractor, all right, I should end up with 90 degrees. All right, so measuring, and that angle is 90 degrees. So this is how we construct a perpendicular to a line segment from an external point. All right.